Welcome back, everyone, and today we got a 2060. As you can see, the box is pretty big, from MICROCENTER for $439. That's the MSRP, $439 for 2060. And I'm just show you. This is the 3060 by ASUS as well, and this is $539 MSRP. And these two cards basically are almost the same. Let me put this card down so we don't damage it. See how we're going to open this guy up. Now, the issue is the plain 3060 by EVGA, like the base model, as I call them, was $329. So why is this so much more than a 3060, like a plain one? And this one is supposed to be, this is basically one of the last versions of the 2060, 2018. But let's take a look. I do also have a Zotac 2060, which is a much smaller card, and 2018 as well. And this Zotac 2060 actually runs a lot hotter. It's very hot, so it's not ideal. But this is supposed to have kind of the same cooling as the 3060 that I just showed you. So let's go ahead and actually, let's open it up and actually compare the size. I actually do want to replace the 3060 in a gaming rig that I have in my living room that is not air conditioned. In my personal room, I am running a 3080 that is in the AC with a 1070 Ti, and they run nice and cold at full load. But that 3060, because it's mated with a 3070, it's a little, it's in, you know, it's in a tight spot for the heat. But let's see. I mean, this actually is a really big box, so this card might be pretty massive. Let's see what it comes with. We didn't even look. Okay, so it looks like it's the same. It looks like it's a little bit bigger than the Zotac one. Interesting packaging. Look at it. It's like shrink wrapped on a board. That is unbelievable. Packing steps. Unpacking steps. Oh. You guys can see it's got little packing steps there. Thank you for purchasing the graphics card, blah blah blah. Speed setup. You know what? Never install the ASUS drivers. Literally just, if you buy an ASUS card, unbox it, get MSI Afterburner, and install. Let's look at the unpacking steps. I'm very curious about what they are telling us to do. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wow. Look at that. It's got like a pressure. Okay. I wish I actually had more space here for you guys to actually see this. But literally it just kind of came out as interesting. And there it is. So it was pressurized. This is actually, so this is a little bit bigger than the Zotac one. Look at that cooler. Oh, this card does have DVI. That is interesting. The 2060 that I have does not have a DVI port. Okay. I mean, in all honesty, you don't want to even use it because you're going to be using, you know, either DisplayPort or HDMI. Is there anything in this thing? Nope, but it does have a DVI port, which is kind of cool because in my room I am running an Apple Cinema display that's very old, and it actually comes in handy to use the DVI, because if you're not going to game and you just need it for rendering work and stuff, you know, why buy the expensive screen? But, well, actually, as we have this here, let's grab 3060. at that monstrous. Is this actually... Oh no, I wonder if this is actually much... Oopsies. Is this taller than the 3060? Almost the same size, okay. Well, gonna be a little bit hard running dual setup. But we'll give it a try. Let's actually do a test bench and test the 2060 versus the 3060 and see what we get. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if you've actually gotten your hands on a 30 series card. If not, the 2060 or the 2070 could also work for you. Alright guys, have fun, enjoy.